long hours starting early in the morning and sometimes even ending the next day, early in the morning.
Trayson, Lawler, and Matthew Wisenden are among dozens of geoscience students who've been doing both physical and humanitarian work in the aftermath of the December 11th tornadoes.
One of the first sites we were cleaning up, we found like 200 old photos and newspaper clippings from like the 40s and the 30s, really, really old stuff. So we gathered all that, and I actually managed to find the family on Facebook that it all belongs to, and we returned that to them.
Geoscience professor Jason Polk says the work provided a unique opportunity for them to help get groundwater systems back online.
They got to see a lot of the work that we do in action, a lot of the things that we monitor for, a lot of the things that we study as far as storms, flooding, heavy rains, that sort of thing.
Volunteers at WKU's food pantry jumped into action to help meet short-term and long-term needs of those impacted.
We started doing that immediately on day one, and we've been open every day since then, including Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, doing the same thing.
And the WKU restaurant group partnered with local school districts to provide more than 4,000 meals to affected individuals.
We're able to reach out to our contacts and able to provide some food and meals both through the Bowling Green Independent School System and also Warren County Public Schools.
So many examples of teamwork, helping a community get back on its feet.
It's been really impressive how quick everybody mobilized. I was amazed at how much help there was, people literally just walking around offering help.